Alright. Put my cabbage in here. And put some white vinegar. It came out really good. So I'm pleased with that, guys. Cabbage from the garden. Freshly organically grown. I'm excited. Take care, everyone. Wander with the Rios Family Garden. Be blessed, and God bless you all. Smoked neck bones going. Alright, guys. So I got my cabbage ready. Right there. And the smoked neck bones are all cut up. I'm going to be putting in some olive oil, some GOYA perfect seasoning, cayenne pepper, salt, minced garlic, all-purpose Greek seasoning, and that's a little bit of stock from the neck bones. So I put in the olive oil. I put in my garlic there. Some of the meat. And then we're going to add our cabbage in just little by little. Some of this stock. Okay. Got to add some of the salt. Adding some all-purpose Greek seasoning. Just a little added flavor. Also some cayenne. Rios Family Garden loves spice. And we're going to add some GOYA perfect seasoning. Now we're going to stir it up some. And then I'll be back with you guys. Okay, guys. The cabbage is coming along. I do got it on medium to high heat. I'm going to add the rest of the cabbage, the rest of the ham hock meat, a little bit more seasonings, and let this baby cook. Added some ground fermented black garlic and some Sazon, which is part of the Latino culture, and we love using that. Alright guys, it is ready to go. Let's give her a taste. Fresh from the garden, y'all. Nice and crunchy, flavorful, delicious.